Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this particular video, we will cover the remaining part of the numerical. Don't delay, let's proceed to the session. So just give me some time. Okay, so see example number 30. Clear? What is the example? Example number 30. Just read this question. A stone of mass 1 kg. A stone of mass 1 kg is is dropped on the surface of the earth. So a stone of mass 1 kg is dropped from the surface of the earth, on the surface of the earth. That means, let's say that is a stone. Okay, it dropped like that. Clear? Again, what is the mass of the stone? The mass of the stone is 1 kg. Clear? So the mass of the stone is 1 kg and it's dropped, that it dropped on the surface of the earth. Clear? Now what will be now what will be the gravitational force? What will be the gravitational force experienced by the stone and the earth? Clear? What will be the gravitational force experienced by the stone? That is very important point. By the stone. Clear? And the earth. That is the first point. Now in the second, the acceleration produced in the stone and the earth. Clear? The acceleration produced in the stone and the earth. Clear? So you need to calculate the acceleration. Clear or not? I hope it is clear. Now point number one, that means the solution. Let's see. First you need to calculate the gravitational force. That means F. Clear? That means F. So you know a formula, F equal to mg or F equal to ma. You know. Clear? F equal to ma. Clear? So here, what is A? What is A? Tell me. What is A? A equal to acceleration. Clear? M equal to mass. That means mass of that body. Here we consider a stone. That's why the mass of the stone will be. Clear? Again, F is the force. F equal to ma. So in the case of stone, again earth. Here is earth and stone. Clear? That's why instead of A, just put G. Clear? Instead of A, just put G because A is the simple acceleration. Here G is the acceleration due to gravity. Is it clear or not? Just tell me. I hope it is clear. So F equal to M into G. Now tell me, what is the value of M? 1 kg. A stone of mass 1 kg. Clear? So put 1. Clear? Put here 1. That means 1 into, again what will be the value of G? Tell me, the value of SI unit. Now what is the value of G in the SI? At first tell me, that is not unit. What is the value? Value is 9 point. What is the value? Tell me. 9.8 meter per second square. Clear? That is the value of G in the SI unit. 9.8 meter per second square. Again one thing, that value, that means 9.8 meter per second square, just you have to memorize. Clear? So m equal to 1, again G equal to 9.8. Clear? Just put it. So 1 into 9.8, the answer will be 9.8. Again what will be the unit of force? Newton. That means in SI, Newton. So the answer will be 9.8 Newton. Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me. Clear or not? I hope it is clear. The gravitational force is neutral. Okay, the gravitational force is neutral. Therefore, the earth will also experience the same force. That means 9.8 towards the stone. Clear? So stone এর দিকে যে ফোর্সটা হবে আর আর্থ স্টোনের দিকে যতটা যাবে, that means the value of the force will be always same. What will be the value? 9.8 Newton. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Now, point number 2. The acceleration produced in the stone and the earth. The acceleration produced in the stone এর ক্ষেত্রে acceleration, and the earth. Clear? So at first, if you want to calculate the acceleration of the stone, then what you have to do? F equal to ma, you know, F equal to ma relation. Again here you need to calculate the value of A, that means acceleration. Clear or not? Then if you want to calculate A, then A equal to F by M. A equal to F by M. Clear? Just put the value of F. What is the value? 9.8 Newton. Again, what is the value of M? That means stone, mass of the stone. Here M means mass of the stone. So what will be the value? 1. That means 9.8 by 1. So 9.8 by 1 means 9.8. Clear? That means the acceleration, what is the value of the acceleration of the stone? The answer will be 9.8 meter per second square. Clear? Why meter per second square? Because that is acceleration. Clear? Okay. Now coming to the next point, acceleration of the earth. So at first acceleration of the stone, now acceleration of the earth. Let's say acceleration of the earth is a dash or a prime. Clear? Formula will be same, F by M. Here capital M. Here capital M. What is the capital M? What is capital M? Tell me at first. Capital M means mass of the stone. No, mass of the earth. Clear? Mass of the earth, because here you are calculating the acceleration of the earth. Clear? Acceleration of the earth. That's why you have to put the value of M. That means the value of the M will be mass of the earth. Clear? Clear or not? Tell me. So A prime or a dash equal to F by capital M. Again, the value of F is 9.8 Newton. Clear? Again, the value of capital M is, this is given value 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Clear? What is the given value? 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Just put this value. That means F by M. So 9.8 by 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Clear? Okay. Now calculate 1.63. If you calculate, that means just that is the division. Then you will get 10 to the power 24. That is denominator. Just if that is in the numerator, then value will be 10 to the power minus 24. Clear? Clear or not? That is 10 to the power 24 is the denominator. So if you want to calculate it is in numerator, then the value will be simply 10 to the power minus 24. Clear? That is the rule of index. So 9.8 divided by 6, the answer will be 1.63. That means the ultimate answer will be 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second square. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Tell me. So if you see the value, that means in the case of stone, what is the value of acceleration? 9.8 meter per second square. Again, the value of acceleration in the case of earth, the value will be 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second square. So just think, কোনটা বড় বড়, 9.8 meter per second square or 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second square? Which is greater? Obviously first, that means 9.8 meter per second square. So just think, actually what is the interpretation, what is the meaning? Clear? সব সময় যে তোমরা ভ্যালু ক্যালকুলেট করলেই শিখে যাবে, that is not the thing. Okay, practically what happens here? কি ঘটছে? The acceleration of the stone is 9.8 meter per second square. অর্থাৎ স্টোনের যে অ্যাক্সিলারেশনটা অনেকটা হাই, হিউজ, 9.8 meter per second square. Again, the acceleration of the earth is 1.63, whatever, but into 10 to the power minus 24, that means minus value, 10 to the power minus 24. The value is very, very low. Clear or not? Very, very low, not just low, very, very low. If you want to compare, clear, 9.8 with respect to 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 24. Clear? That means what happens? স্টোনটা আর্থের দিকে চলে আসবে না আর্থটা স্টোনের দিকে চলে যাবে? যার অ্যাক্সিলারেশন বেশি সেটা কি হবে? পৃথিবীর দিকে চলে আসবে। দ্যাট মিন্স স্টোনের অ্যাক্সিলারেশন হিউজ, দ্যাটস ওয়াই স্টোন কি করে পৃথিবীর দিকে ছুটে আসে। যখন একটা স্টোনকে উপর থেকে নিচে ফেলা হয়, অ্যাকর্ডিং টু Newton's third law, or not Newton's third law, according to attraction. Clear? According to Newton's third law also, because action and reaction equal and opposite, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That means যদি এখান থেকে যদি অ্যাকশন হয়, এখান থেকে যদি অ্যাকশন হয়, if there is two action work simultaneously, in that case, just a minute, hello hello, কে বলছো? ওই কোনো প্রোডাক্ট আছে? Okay, now listen. Now listen. The value of the stone, that means the value of the acceleration of the stone is 9.8 meter per second square. Again, the acceleration of the earth is 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second square. Clear? That means what happens? That means what happens? কি ঘটছে এখানে? স্টোনের অ্যাক্সিলারেশনটা যেহেতু বেশি, the value of the acceleration of the stone is high, that means একটা পার্টিকেল or স্টোন কি করবে, আর্থ দিকে ছুটে আসবে। আদারওয়াইজ আর্থ কি স্টোনের দিকে ছুটে যাবে? Is it possible? Not. Why not possible? Because the value of the acceleration is very low. Clear? Value of the acceleration is very low. That's why. Otherwise, action and reaction equal and opposite. Clear? Clear? That means action and reaction are equal and opposite. Clear? But still, যখন একটা বডির উপরে যখন অ্যাকশন হচ্ছে, অ্যানাদার বডির উপর রিঅ্যাকশনও কাজ করবে। দ্যাট মিন্স একটা পার্টিকেল যদি পৃথিবীর দিকে ছুটে আসে, তাহলে পৃথিবী কি ওই পার্টিকেলের দিকে ছুটে যাবে? Just think about it. Yes, obviously theoretically it is possible, but যে স্টোনটা ছুটে আসছে, whatever be the mass of the stone, that is very low with respect to the mass of the earth. Clear? Whatever মাসের যে স্টোনের যে মাস আর আর্থের যে মাস, there is huge gap. Clear? There is huge gap. That means the mass of the stone is very low with respect to the mass of the earth. That's why স্টোনটা আর্থের দিকে ছুটে আসে, আদারওয়াইজ আর্থ স্টোনের দিকে ছুটে যায় না। Clear? Okay. Now, just point number 3. Distance traveled by the stone and the earth in 1 second. What is this? In 1 second. That means here time is present, t is present. Clear? So you need to calculate the distance, that means s or h, whatever. So if you want to calculate s or h, just you have to use s equal to ut plus half at square, because t is present. Otherwise, if you want to use the equation v square equals to u square plus twice as, then the t is not present. That's why you can't use this formula. Clear? Just you have to use s equal to ut plus half a t square. Clear? Now, the initial velocity of the stone, the initially stop, that means initial velocity, that means the value of u is 0. Clear? That is the starting point and that is the ending point. That means the initial velocity of the stone is like that. Clear? That means initially the value is 0. Clear? So just put s equal to ut, that means put 0, that means 0 into t. Clear? Plus half at square. Here a, that means if you want to calculate the stone, then the value of the a will be 9.8. Clear? The value of the stone will be 9.8. Clear or not? The value of the stone will be 9.8 into 1. Clear? 9.8 into 1. Why 1? Because the value of the t is 1 here. Clear? Value of the t is 1, that means 1 second. So just put this value, half into 9.8 into 1. Clear? That means 1 square means 1. So if you want to calculate, that means 9.8 by 2. So the answer will be 9.8 divided by 2. That means 4.9 meter. Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me. 4.9 meter. Okay. Again. Clear? Now the next case, that means distance traveled by the earth is given by so that means distance traveled by earth. At first time distance traveled by the stone, here distance traveled by the earth. That means A is equal to ut plus half a t square. Clear or not? A is equal to ut plus half a t square. So the same thing, the value of the u is 0. Clear? That means 0. Ut, the portion of the ut will be 0. Again half a t square, half into what is the value of the a, that means in the case of earth, what is the value of the a? The value of the a is 1.63 into 10 to the power 24 meter per second square. Just put this 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 into, again the value of the t is 1, that means 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 1 square. So if you calculate, that means you will get 8.15 into 10 to the power minus 23 meter. Clear or not? Just tell me. Again, that is a brief revision. So at first you need to calculate the force. If you want to calculate the force, you have to put F equal to mg, that means F equal to mar relation. Clear? F equal to mg means F equal to mar relation. So the value of the m is 1, again value of the g is 9.8, so the answer will be 9.8 Newton. Again the value will be same for the earth also. Now the acceleration, if you want to calculate the acceleration, that means f a equal to f by m. Clear? Put the value of the f 9.8 divided by 1 equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Clear? Again acceleration of the earth, that means a prime, let's say f by capital M. Put the value of the capital M, that means the mass of the earth 6 into 10 to the power 24. Clear? That means 9.8 by 6 into 10 to the power 24. So if you calculate, you will get 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second square. Clear? Again distance traveled by the stone, that means you have to calculate s. So just put a is equal to ut plus half a t square. Clear? So the value of the u is here 0, that's why ut, the part, that means the ut part will be 0. So 0 plus half into put the value of the a. So what is the value of the a? 9.8, that means the stone. Clear? So half into 9.8 into 1 square. So if you calculate, the answer will be 4.9 meter. Clear? Again distance traveled by the earth, the same thing, just put the value, but put here a, that means instead of what will be the value of a here, the value of the a will be 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second square. 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second square. Again there will be one same thing, just simplify this value, you will get 8.15 into 10 to the power minus 23 meter. Clear? That means this value, that means the value of the s is very low, minus 23. Just look this point, 10 to the power minus 23. Here 4.9, that means a positive value 4.9, that is also positive, but minus 23, that means negative, very low value, minus 23. Clear? So here is also a note. The note is the distance traveled by the earth is extremely small, মানে খুব কম. Clear? And not noticeable. Clear? অর্থাৎ দেখা যাবে না. That means স্টোন যখন পৃথিবীর দিকে চলে আসছে, in that case স্টোনের তো অ্যাক্সিলারেশন হচ্ছে, স্টোনের তো মোশন হচ্ছে, আর্থের কি মোশন হচ্ছে? Definitely হচ্ছে, but what is the value? That value is very low. Why low? Because the mass of the earth is very heavy, that is high with respect to the mass of the stone. That's why phenomena is same, but still we can't notice. Clear? আমরা ওটাকে দেখতে পাবো না, নোটিস করতে পারবো না. we can observe, because the value is very low. Okay, I hope you understand example number 13. Again, now coming to the point, that means example number 14. Clear? Example number 14. Calculate the acceleration. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon. Clear? On the surface of the moon. তাহলে কি বলেছে? You have to calculate the acceleration due to gravity, that means the value of g on the surface of the moon. Clear? মুনের সারফেসে ক্যালকুলেট করতে বলছে। So what is given value? The given value is the mass of the moon is something 7.4 into 10 to the power minus 22 kg. Again, the radius of the moon is 1.75 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Again, take g equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. So what is given? M is given. Mass of the moon means M is given. Clear? Again, radius, that means R is given. Clear? Just you have to calculate the g, the acceleration. So you know the formula. What is the relation between what is the relation of capital G and small g? Tell me. The relation is small g equal to gm by r square. Small g equal to gm by r square. Clear? Just put this value. Simple, very simple. Just here put the value of the g is 6.67, whatever, just put this. Again, m, just this one, that means 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Clear? Okay. Again, r, that means 1.75 into 10 to the power 6. Again, here is square, that's why there will be whole square form. Clear? So if you put all the values, then you will get 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 divided by 1.75 into 10 to the power 6. That means there is a square. Clear? Clear or not? I hope there is a little bit mistake. 1.75 into 10 to the power 6. Just a minute. 1.75 into 10 to the power 6. Here there will be square. Clear? Okay, there is mistake. There will be a square because gm by r square. Clear or not? Okay, because the value of the r is 1.75 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Again, here 1.75 into 10 to the power 6. No, that's the wrong. G equal to gm by r square. Clear? So just square. Again, just calculate this value, you will get 1.63 meter per second square. Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me. What is the formula? G equal to gm by r square. Clear? Not r square. So 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 divided by 1.75 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. Clear? The result will be 1.63 meter per second square. Clear? Just calculate this, you will understand. Okay, because there is a little bit problem, just we can't solve this value, just you yourself have to calculate. Clear? Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Just put this, just you will get. Clear? Okay, now that is the extra part. and that is not given in your question also. Gm by Ge. Gm means acceleration due to gravity of the moon. Clear? Gm means acceleration due to gravity of moon. Again, what is Ge? Acceleration due to gravity of earth. Clear? So you that is 1.63 meter per second square. That is the value of Gm. Again, you know what is the value of Ge? 9.8 meter per second square. If you just Gm by Ge, clear? If you want to calculate, that means put the value 1.63 divided by 9.8, so you will get 1 by 6. You will get 1 by 6. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this line? Gm by Ge equal to 1.1 by 6. The meaning is Gm equal to Gm equal to, what will be the value? Gm equal to 1 by 6 into Ge. Gm equal to 1 by 6 into Ge. That means the acceleration due to gravity, on the moon is equal to the 1/6 of that of the earth. Clear? That means কোনো পার্টিকেলের whatever acceleration যা হবে, clear, acceleration যা হবে whatever acceleration of the moon এ যা হবে, আর্থে কি হবে, তার আর্থে কি হবে 1/6 of the earth. তো আর্থের 1/6 হবে, অর্থাৎ আর্থের 6 ভাগের 1 ভাগ হবে. Clear? If let's say that is 6, Ge equal to 6, Ge, that means earth, Ge, let's say that is equal to 6. যদি কোনো ভ্যালু 6 হয়, just consider it. Then if G equal to 6, then Gm equal to 1. If Ge equal to 6, then Gm equal to 1. That means আর্থের যদি গ্র্যাভিটির ভ্যালু যদি 6 হয়, in that case মুনের গ্র্যাভিটি কি হবে, the same thing. What will be the value of the gravity? Will be 1. Clear? That means 6 by 6, that will be the value 1. So acceleration due to gravity on the moon is equal to the 1/6, this point, 1/6 of that of the earth. Clear? I hope it is clear. Now coming to the next question. If a planet exerted whose mass and radius are half of that of the earth. Clear? যদি কোনো একটা মাস, কোনো একটা প্ল্যানেট আছে, যে প্ল্যানেটের মাস অ্যান্ড আর্থ আর হাফ অফ দ্য আর্থ. সো লেটস সে আর্থের মাস হচ্ছে 6 কেজি, ধরে নাও, দ্যাট ইজ নট দ্য থিং, জাস্ট ইমাজিন 6 কেজি. এখানে আর্থের রেডিয়াস হচ্ছে ধরো 10 মিটার, জাস্ট ইমাজিন. সো যে প্ল্যানেটের কথা কনসিডার করছি, হোয়াটএভার the mass of the earth will be mass of that planet will be 3 kg. Clear? Because half, again radius will be 5 meter. That means if I consider the earth of the radius of the earth is 10 meter. Clear? So then calculate the acceleration due to gravity on its surface. That means you have to calculate the value of the G for that particular planet. Clear? Again there is a hint. Take Ge equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Clear? Now the relation, that means the relation between capital G and small g, that is G equal to Gm by R square. Clear? G equal to gm by r square. In the case of earth, just put ge, that means acceleration due to gravity of the earth, equal to gme, that means mass of the earth, divided by r square, that means radius of the earth, re whole square. Clear or not? That means ge equal to gme divided by re whole square. Clear? Now for the planet, for that planet, clear, or for the planet, gp here, p means planet, gm, that means gmp, that means mp means mass of the planet, divided by rp, that means radius of that planet. Clear? So equal to, what is the value? That means half. Just put this value, that means 1 by 2 me. Clear? mp, here is mp, that means mass of the planet. For what will be the mass of the planet? Half of that earth, half of that of the earth, half of that of that earth, that means 1 by 2 into me. Clear or not? Clear? Again radius also the same thing, that means 1 by 2 re. Clear? 1 by 2 re, there will be square because r square, so 1 by 2 re whole square. So if you calculate, then you will get 1 by 4 re square. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 re square, that is in the denominator. So if you simplify, then this value, that means 1 by 4 will be in the numerator, will go in the numerator. Clear? Again this half value will be in the denominator. So if you calculate, that means 1, that means 4 by 2, that means the result will be 4 by 2. Just if you simplify, then you will get 2. Clear? That means this one. Clear or not? I just want to say this one. Clear? So you will get half, that means not half, 2 into gme by re square, gme by re square. I hope you understand. So gme by re, that means that is ge, gme by re square, that means ge. So just you can write 2 ge. Clear or not? Just tell me. 2 ge. So what is the value of ge? 9.8 here given, 9.8 meter per second square. Clear? Just put this 2 into 9.8. Clear? So the answer will be 19.6 meter per second square. Okay. Thus, the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the planet will be twice, that is very important, twice of that of the surface of the earth. Clear? So earth er ja value, g value, new planet er g value ki hobe? What will be the value of the g? Double hobe. Twice means what? Double. Simple thing. Clear or not? Just tell me. I hope there will be no doubt, but still if you have any doubt, just you can ask me. Clear? Okay. So that's all for today, because that is very lengthy session. Okay, so we'll meet in the another video. Till then, tata, bye bye.